Hi, it's Larry Slickenheisenhauenhohenhansen, and I'm here to help you out with your chocolate needs. Any type of chocolate you need, I don't care what kind it is, what size it is, we've got it right here, Master's Hand Serendipity Chocolate. Let's start you out with this little economy model here. Little Nebraska. Yeah, that milk chocolate, perfect through and through, blended finely. It'll get you to where you want, it'll get you back, it'll get you off the sick bed, it'll get you wherever you need, right here, right now. That's the best in the business. Hey, maybe you're looking for a little bit of coconut today. We got this dark, and it comes in dark chocolate as well. A little coconut cream. Let me pop this thing open up right here for you, show you what the inside looks like. Take a look at this interior. I tell you what, this coconut will get you where you're going and get you home just fine. Hey, maybe you're not a coconut fan. There's those of you out there, but you're into nuts. Nuts, we got nuts, we got nuts, we got no nuts. This is a nut, it's a milk chocolate nut. And again, let's pop this baby open. Look at this trunk space on this nut. Right there, everything you'd ever want in a piece of candy. Oh, whoa, so coconut, nuts, economy, you're not into that? You want the top of the line model? You came to the right place. Look at this baby right here, the caramel pecan turtle, best in the business. You can't get any finer luxury than this. Let me pop the hood and show you what we got on the inside of this baby. Hold it right there. There, take a look at that, marble over that. Let me tell you what, that will get you down to the road 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds or less. Now, one more option out there. I know those of you that aren't in the economy, you're not in the luxury, you want that European look. We've got that European look. Take a look at this white, orange cream. Look, them European cars are hot. And I tell you what, being a blind guy is hard to handle a hot European car. That one's hot and made me miss blind. There we go. Let's take a look at the hood of this baby right there. Take a look at the inside of that. And let me tell you what, it's creamy, delicious. I don't care what kind of chocolate you want, milk, dark, nuts, no nuts, coconut, no nuts, top of the line, bottom line, European models. We got them right here at Master's Hand Serendipity Chocolate. 402-374-2003.